Hi. There are times when you really don't know what to make for breakfast, what to eat, and how to remove the hunger pangs that you are suffering from. Today, I was in the same dilemma. I really did not know what to eat for breakfast. I wanted to have eggs and bread, but not in the regular form. So I just got an idea that today I'm going to come up with a very different recipe, which probably all of you will also enjoy and may have tried it at your home sometime or the other. So I'm going to make egg bhurji with bread in that is both mixed together with some vegetables and very little salt and pepper. As I'm going to be making this for myself and my daughter, I would skip making it with some spices like chili or anything that can be quite discomforting early in the morning. So for this, I'm going to be using 4 eggs, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper according to taste. I have cut the bread, or rather, I have just broken the bread into some pieces which will be getting merged with my egg. So I have taken 3 to 4 pieces of fresh bread here. Coriander for garnishing. I'm using one medium sized tomato which I chopped and one medium sized onion which I finely chopped. If you want to skip these, you can do that also, and you can just make it with plain egg and bread. So let's get started with our delicious and a very quick and simple breakfast recipe, the egg bread bhurji.
I'm hungry. It's 9:30 and it's my break time. It's my breakfast time too. Let me ask my mama. Mama,
Yes, baby.
Mama, I want some very good breakfast like a king breakfast.
A royal breakfast, you mean?
Yeah, I mean that only. But it should have egg plus bread too.
Okay, so even I was thinking what to make for breakfast today. So I have a very good recipe where I'll be mixing the egg, bread, and some onion tomato with just a pinch of salt and pepper. And I'm sure you're really going to like it because it's healthy, it's tasty, and it's a royal breakfast.
Yes, Mama. So, when I will eat this very tasty breakfast, I will get energy to attend my online classes.
All right, so let's get started. So into my pan, I'm going to be adding just about 1 spoon of oil, not too much. Keep the oil content here less. Let it heat, and once my oil heats, I'm going to be adding my chopped onions and sauteing it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not going to caramelize my onions, just saute them for about a minute or two. The onions have cooked for about a minute or so, and now I'll be adding my chopped tomatoes. Stir it well, mix both of them. Again cook it for about a minute or so. To this now I will be adding my eggs and immediately stir them, else they will become into an omelette form. Into the eggs will go in my salt and pepper, and along with that I will be adding my chopped breads. And now we will be cooking it well, and we have to make sure that the breadcrumbs become absolutely mixed with the egg. So we need to break them well. You can even press them down so that the egg and the bread mix well and form into a nice mixture that we are looking for.
Smell is so good.
Oh yes.
Preparation is looking good.
Thank you. And it's very simple. Even you can do it when you get bigger.
Oh, I see.
And now I'm going to be garnishing it with some coriander leaves so that the flavors get enhanced with our egg and bread. And those who like it a little spicy can add some green chilies or even a dash of red chili. So our wholesome and delicious egg and bread breakfast is ready. You can see how nice the texture has come, and the bread has got totally minced with our egg and the onion and tomatoes. Serve it hot with a cup of tea, or for children with a cup of milk. This is the best wholesome breakfast that one can have. This is like an egg poha. You can even call it like an egg poha because the mixture is exactly in that form. So enjoy our simple yet very delicious and healthy recipe. I am quite sure that your feedbacks will be very, very good because this recipe is a complete wholesome food, a breakfast dish which will keep your children and you active throughout the day. Do try this simple and delicious recipe. Share your feedback. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't go without subscribing my channel. Your support will make me go bigger and make better recipes for you. So let me take a feedback from my daughter because her breakfast time is done and I need to serve her this. Let me call her and ask her how she is going to like this recipe.
Wow, it's looking awesome.
It's a wholesome meal. After this, you don't need to eat anything. I will serve it with a good cup of milk for this, and you will enjoy it.
Till 11 o'clock.
Till your lunchtime.
Wow, I really like it, Mama. Thank you so much for this very good meal. I'm very happy. And friends, thank you so much for your support.
I am also very, very grateful to each one of you for supporting us to keep making good recipes, good food. Enjoy the food because we love our food. And do subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Bye bye. And friends, do remember one thing, that don't underestimate the power of egg and bread.